Hello everybody, welcome back. Welcome back to our series on YouTube where we unbox our gorgeous bath blessing boxes every month. So this month we are unboxing our Ageless in August box. This box is going to help you turn back time or prevent some wrinkles with the help of lots of anti-aging ingredients. And also, side note, I think that this is the best smelling box yet. I was in awe when I opened it this month. I cannot wait to jump into it. So yes, let's get started. So first we have the Ageless Artisan Soap. Now this soap smells absolutely incredible. I'm almost going to try to take it with me when I travel. It smells that good that I don't want to let it go. This soap has a subtle combination of kaolin clay and peach pulp, which helps with anti-aging, as well as several natural ingredients including olive oil, coconut oils, and shea butter. The detoxifying properties of red kaolin make it great for oil control, with mild exfoliation to remove dead skin cells. Using this soap is going to help gently draw toxins from the skin while enhancing your skin's elasticity, especially in otherwise dry skin. It's going to leave your hands feeling so wonderfully moisturized, and it will smell incredible as well. Next we have our Mango and Starfruit body wash. This body wash was too good to not bring back this month. And okay, before we even get into how amazing its properties are, this smells, oh my goodness, I can't get over this smell. You know those fruit juices like fruit pulp, like the very thick fruit juice that you could buy at the grocery store? It smells like the mango and I imagine Starfruit version of that combined. It's just like the most juicy, fruity, tropical, oh my goodness, you need to smell this. It's incredible. This particular blend is full of plant-based skin-loving moisturizers and is also vegan and free from paraffin, preservatives, and silicone oils. And as an added bonus, like the body wash from last month, you can use this in the bath or the shower so you can get the most out of this, like basically mango and starfruit puree. That's exactly how it smells like. I can't stop. It smells so good. Next we have our Mango Moisture Body Polish. So this is made with a premium blend of oils and fair trade organic sugar, as well as mango, rosemary, and several essential oils. To use this, just take a large scoop in your wet palms and rub it in a circular motion on your legs, arms, and chest, but try to avoid your face because this is more of a body exfoliant versus a facial exfoliant. Next we have our Sweet Dreams Bath Ball. The essential oils in this bath bomb are known to be soothing skin softeners, make your skin tingle with refreshment, and allow you to breathe deep and relax. It's made with soothing notes of vanilla, lavender, and chamomile, and there are actual ground chamomile flowers and vanilla bean specks in the bath bomb just to make it that much more luxurious for you. So all you want to do is just pop this into your bath and watch it fizz away, and don't worry if it crumbles a little bit, that's exactly what it's supposed to do. Next we have our Ageless Bath Ball. So this bath ball balm is actually the center of our Ageless August box because it focuses on the beauty of nature's colors and aromas. This bath bomb features grapefruit and geranium essential oils and some other age fighters like oats, oils, and butters. Next we have the Ice Water Eyes, and so these are actually micro-infused collagen gel pads for your eyes. How exciting is this? If you haven't tried these before, I really recommend it. They feel so refreshing, especially these ones. They're packed with collagen, amino acids, and vitamins, and they'll gently soothe puffy under eyes and provide maximum hydration. It's like a bath for under your eyes. Like, how luxurious is that? Use it just as directed on the package, and you also might want to consult your physician if you have any eye conditions before you use them. These are perfect for vacations, business trips, or just on-the-go pick-me-ups if you have had a long day or if you're having an event the next day. And you actually get 3 sets in here, which is an extra bonus and really exciting. Next is the I Don't Want to Grow Up Firming Sheet Face Mask. So this face mask firms and softens facial lines with chamomile extract, collagen, and argan oil. It helps to firm and plump skin, deeply moisturizes your skin, softens fine lines, and gives you a youthful glow. This is perfect to put on your face in the evening and just allow it to sit on your face for 20 minutes, and then once you take it off, just kind of like massage the rest of the liquid onto your skin. And fun fact, because I am a beauty junkie, if you use a moisturizer after you've massaged all of the wonderful goodness from the mask into your face, it will help actually lock in the mask and you'll reap the benefits even more so. And finally, for our shower lovers this month, and actually if you're new, I'm going to go into what it is. If you don't have a bath but still want to enjoy this amazing box, because I don't blame you, it's amazing, you can opt for a shower option. So instead of the bath bombs, you'll receive some shower steamers which you can use in your shower and still get that amazing luxurious essential oil goodness, even if you don't have a bath. So this month we've included the mojito and a white tea and ginger shower steamers. And I also wanted to let you know that if you are a newer member and you don't know, we have a Loved store, which is a store that is member exclusive, and you can go to that store and pick up a bunch of other exclusive goodies. If you haven't checked out the Turkish towel yet, we highly recommend you do. It is fabulous. It's a way of drying your hair and keeping all the moisture in your hair while it dries. It's absolutely fabulous. So we will leave the link down below to our website where you can log in and get your towel. But yes, that is all that is in this month's box. I hope that you are as excited about these products as I am. Leave a comment down below and tell us, what product are you most excited to try? For me, I think it is the body wash, because that just smells, I mean, you guys know I've been talking about it for like how long in this video, how amazing it smells. So that is definitely my favorite product this month. And if you received last month's box, leave a comment down below and tell us what your favorite product was. So thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you next month.